Question 16. In which year was Rahul born? Statements. So from these statements we have to decide in which year Rahul was born. So first is Rahul at present is 25 years younger than his mother. Now Rahul's brother Bruce, who was born in 1964, is 35 years younger than his mother. So which statement is needed to find the answer? Option A, only one, only two, both 1 and 2 together, data insufficient. So as we can see, Rahul is 25 years younger than his mother, so this statement is not sufficient to find answer. So we need both of these statements. So C, answer is C, both 1 and 2 together. Question 17. The knowledge of 6 persons X, Y, Z, A, B and C in relation to each other is given. So from that we have to find who is most knowledgeable person. So first, X knows more than A. This is first statement. Now Y knows as much as B. That means is equal to. So X is greater than A is greater than, so X is greater than A. This is first statement. Now Y knows as much as B. That means Y is equal to B. This is second statement. Now Z knows less than C. So C is greater than Z. This is third statement. Now C knows less than B. So B is greater than Z. This is fourth statement. Now A knows more than Y. So A is greater than Y. This is fifth statement. Now we have to find most knowledgeable person. So these are the statements, and from this sequence, so sequence is becoming like this: X is greater than A, which is greater than Y, which is equal to B, which is greater than C, which is greater than Z. So the most knowledgeable person is X. Question 18. If in a certain language Madras is coded as NBESBT, how is Bombay coded in that code? So if we write Madras as NBESBT, so N is alphabet after M. Now B is alphabet after A, D is alphabet after E, S is alphabet after R. Now B is alphabet after A, T is alphabet after S. Similarly, C is alphabet after B. Now similarly the code will become CPNCBZ. Question 19. Fill in the blanks to complete the series. SCDTEFUGHWKL. So if we write alphabets up to M on first line, and in second line we write alphabets from N to Z, so we can clear that, we can get from that S, C, D are connected. Now T, E, F are connected. U, G, H are connected. Now V, I, J are connected. W, K, L are connected. So answer is V, I, J. Question 20. Fill in the blanks to complete the series. 9, 3, 1 by 1. Now 1 by 3. That is 1 by 9. So first they have written 9, then 3, then 1 and 1 by 3. So we can write that 1 by 3. Now we are writing 1 by 9. So they have written 1 by 3, so it will be 1 by 9. So this is a sequence type question.